Hi and welcome back to today's Morning Report Chart Appraisals with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Handtech Markets on Wednesday the 27th of August. I'm going to move on to cable now. And as with the euro, we've had a bit of a pop to the upside on cable, but I really don't see that this is anything major in terms of recovery going on. You look at how these momentum indicators are configured at the moment, very deeply bearish. And also over the last few days, if you zoom into the intraday chart, you'll see how this resistance now has built up at $1.66 big figure, and anywhere I think around that sort of level or where we are at the moment is probably really going to be seen as a chance to sell. You look at these hourly momentum indicators, continue over the last few days to just peak out around that 60 mark. And this is pretty much where we are at the moment. So I think that this is another opportunity to sell. I don't see this as any sort of suggestion that we're going to get a sustainable recovery. We've just rallied back towards those 55 and 89 hour moving averages, and I think on this daily chart it just suggests that we're just going to have another slight pop within this downtrend. But I think that 66 big figure resistance is fairly significant now, and I think we're going to get further pressure down towards this March low of 64.60, and I think this is another chance to sell. Perfectly possible that you could get a breach above 66 big figure, but again I see that any sort of rebound within this downtrend, that downtrend comes in currently at 66.74. So there is room for a rally. That's not out of the question, but I just think that we're going to see ultimately any sort of rebound sold into, and further downside in due course. I see that a lot of overhead supply coming in above 66 figure. You've got 66.50. And then $1.67 as well. So 66.90, I mean, is the absolute level, but 67 I think is a good ballpark figure. But you look at that downtrend, that comes in at 66.75. So there's in that between 66 figure and 67, I think there's a lot of overhead supply that would suggest that it's going to be and just a near-term rally that gets sold into once again in due course. And I think that's what we'll be seeing. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.